What's good, everybody? This is Magic Chef Nate. I'm making some sweet sausage with some leftover white rice with some red pepper, chicken, stir-fried chicken, and some peas with some chicken broth and some banana peppers as well. Sausage is seasoned with black pepper, crystal salt, cayenne pepper, dash, southwest seasoning blend. Everything is cooking in. We'll be cooking in a small kitchen saute pan, medium high heat. On this wet Wednesday afternoon, stay tuned for the finished result. The leftover stir-fried chicken with white rice and frozen peas and red peppers. I added banana peppers and some sweet sausage as well to this. And some chicken stock. Everything was seasoned with black pepper, custard salt, oregano, cayenne pepper, and dash separate seasoning. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos, turn on your notifications on so any cool videos I make next. Later on tonight, I'm making sausage sandwiches for dinner. Stay tuned for that video. I appreciate supporting the channel so much. Until next time, I am Magic Chef Nate. See you all next time.